What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video, something a little bit different today. We're in the garage and we're going to be installing some new parts on the CBR. I got the bike up on the stand here, so we're going to get ready to do that. If you can see up over there on the bench, I have some carbon fiber parts over there and also a new gas cap. So we're going to be replacing the stock gas cap with a new aluminum gas cap from TWM. MotoMillion supplied that. I have their sticker over there. We're also going to be weighing everything today to see how much weight we save, if anything. I know this will save me a little bit of weight. These guys over here, not so sure they're going to save any weight, but they're certainly going to add a nice look to the bike. We'll take a look at it. So we're going to be installing the heel guards tonight, and we're also going to be doing this heat shield. I also ordered the heat shield here in carbon fiber. I'm not sure that I'm going to put it on, but it hasn't arrived yet, so we're going to do the first heat shield and the heel plates, and we'll see how that goes and how it looks. And we're also going to be doing the gas cap this evening. Alright, the first order of business is to get the old gas cap off. And to get the stock gas cap off, you really have to only take these 3 bolts out. So there's 2 at the bottom, 1 at the top. The other ones are really just for decoration, and you'll see that on the gas cap from MotoMillion there. And because I had aluminum bolts on here, these bolts are not real tight. They were just holding the gas cap on, so they don't have to be super tight anyways. I gotta unlock that first. So let me grab my key, we'll get that unlocked, and then we should be able to get this guy right out of there. Alright, I got the key in there. As you can see, I unlocked it, so this should just come right out. And it's as simple as that to get the old gas cap out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna weigh this, but I do have the aluminum bolts in there, so it's going to be a little bit off weight-wise. Get that key out. But we'll at least get a good idea. And then I do have the stock bolts there if I want to throw those on. That way we can get a accurate measurement. Alright, so the stock gas cap with the aluminum bolts in there is 11.4 ounces. This is my little diet program for the CBR, so you can see some of the things I've already done and tracking some of the weight loss that I've done to it. So the fuel cap stock one is 11.4 ounces. I can put that to grams. Not so much of a help, so 11.4 OZ. And again, that's with the aluminum bolts in there. So the aluminum bolts probably saved an ounce, maybe 2. Not much. And while we're at it, let's put the new one on. I already have it partially assembled. So these will be the ones that anchor it to the bike. And then these are just for show up here. So I'll tighten everything down before I put it on, obviously. So we went from 11.4 ounces to 5.3 ounces. Not a bad savings. I will certainly take it. Every little bit counts. Alright, I have the bolts that do nothing. They're just decoration. They're snugged down. And then we're going to put the other ones into the bike. Make sure you have the O-ring on. You do have to have that in place for it to work. That was fairly simple to do. Easy upgrade to really add some aesthetics to the bike. Kind of completes the blacked out look on the top. These don't need to be super tight. It's really just holding the gas cap on. So I'm not going to go crazy on them. Make sure they're in place. So there you have it. That is the new gas cap. Let me know what you think in the comments. But I think it's a nice touch, a very nice upgrade to the bike. Saves me a little bit of weight, but really I did it for the aesthetics, because now I got the blacked out look on the top and I'm happy with that. Yeah, that looks nice. And again, this is a gas cap from TWM, as you can see right there. supplied by Manny at MotoMillion. So head to his page, check out, see what he has. He's got a lot of good stuff there. And for these parts, I'm going to make you wait till the next video. So give me a like and a subscribe for this one, and check back next time for the installation of these pieces here. And we're going to weigh those and compare those to the stock parts as well. So hope you come back and visit again.